Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the ECE Math Olympiad for first year and second year, which has a topic of Laplace transforms, mga Lodi gigs. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa lahat ng mga kakapasalang and newly licensed electrical and mechanical engineers. And shoutout sa mga Lodi gigs natin, si Lem Tobias Cunanan, si Neil Patrick Acosta, si Engineer Jimsel Valdez, at saka yung recently top 2 ng REE licensure exam, si Engineer Thomas Kasaway Jr. from CSU, Carig Campus. And congrats sa inyo, Lodi Cakes, and I hope you all the best mga idolo. More power and all the best. So ito yung problem. Find the Laplace transform of the function f of t equals e raised to negative t sine 2t cosine 2t. So how do we solve this type of problem? So alam naman natin na meron tayong tinatawag na shifting formula when it comes to Laplace transform kapag combination siya ng isang exponential at saka ng isang trigonometric function. Okay? So, di ba alam natin na ang Laplace transform mga Lodi cakes ng e raised to at is equal to 1 over s minus a. Okay? So, kung may choices naman to, and this was as for the boards, so meron naman tayong calculator technique dyan. Pero for the meantime, solve muna natin to manually in a classical method. So, ito yung Laplace transform yan. Kapag nahaluan na natin siya ng trigonometric, so mag-shift tayo. So, ang gagawin natin, hindi po mag-shift sa engineering or mag-shift ng ibang course. I-shift natin yung Laplace transform nito, yung s papalitan natin ng s minus negative 1 or that is s plus 1. So, paano natin gagawin yan, Sir IJ? So, ito sin 2t cosine 2t, hindi natin siya pwedeng idiretso kasi we have to use an identity. So, kung mapapansin natin, we have sin 2t cosine 2t, which is in the form sin a cosine a. Let us recall the double angle identity for sine. We have sin 2x is equal to 2 sine of x cosine of x. So, parang ganito yung form niya, guys, right? So, what we have to do is, idilipat natin si 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So, we have 1/2 of sine of 2x is equal to sine of x cosine of x. So, ano na mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? Replace x with 2t. So, yung x gawin nating 2t. So, we have 1/2 sine of 2 multiplied by 2t equals sine of 2t cosine of 2t. So, we have already replaced all x with the expression 2t. So, simplifying the left side and then swapping both sides, left and right side. So, we have sine 2t cosine 2t equals 1/2 sine of 4t. That means that this will be replaced to this. So, the new function in terms of t can now be expressed as 1/2 e raised to negative t sine of 4t. So, what do we do next, Sir IJ? So, we just need to find the Laplace transform of sine 4t. Let us recall that the Laplace transform of sine at is equal to a all over s squared plus a squared. So for this case, getting the Laplace transform, so the Laplace transform of f of t will now be equal to 1/2. The Laplace transform of this will be a. So ang a natin is 4. So we have 1/2 multiplied by 4 all over s squared plus 4 squared, mga idolo, which is 16. Kaya lang, we have e raised to negative t here. So, s will be shifted to s plus 1. Kasi negative t yan. Kung positive t yan, s minus 1. So, ganun lang po yung pag-shift natin. It's just like getting the Laplace transform of a normal exponential expression or exponential function. So, we have 1/2 multiplied by 4 all over s plus 1 quantity squared plus 16, and then 4 divided by 2. So we can have our final answer be like this, or you can simplify as well the denominator. So pwede nyo namang gawin siyang s squared plus 2s plus 17. Pero ito okay na to. So that is the Laplace transform of the given function as what is stated in our problem. So sana guys kahit paano na-refresh kayo for Laplace transforms, and if ever you have questions or concerns, please do let me know by commenting the things that nalito po or that confused yung mga Lodi Cakes. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord. Kita-kits sa mga susunod na match tutorial videos. Bye-bye and God bless.